Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the frequency distribution table. So in last video we have seen about the average. Now what is my frequency table and how you are making, what is tally mark, what is frequency, that today we are going to see. Yes, what is mean by that? First I will explain. Sometimes in collected data, some scores appear again and again. Some number children they are repeating again and again. So that time, so the number of times a particular score occurs in a data is called as frequency of that score. So in such cases, a frequency table is made, children. Yes. So for frequency table, 3 columns you have to make. First one it is of score, second one is it is of tally mark, and third one is of frequency. So in first column, first read the data and you have to find a minimum number and maximum number in data and put them into ascending order. Now here you have to make the tally marks. So for tally mark, one number you have to put one horizontal line here. And if it is 4, after that fifth is coming, then you have to make 1 2 3 4 like this for fifth. So it is easier to count the total number of tally marks. Yes, means 5 is bundle. So count the total number of tally mark in front of each and write their number in the frequency, and last add the frequencies and their sum is denoted by n. So you have to add and put in there. Now I will explain with the help of example here. The distance at which some children live from their school is given below in the kilometers. Now see here, 1 3 2 4 5 4 1 3 4 5 6 4 6 4 6. So like this it is there. So let us how to make the frequency table of this data. Yes. So here you have to make these 3 columns first. Now scores, tally marks and frequency. Yes. Now here find out minimum number and maximum number. Minimum number it is 1, maximum it is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. So put the tally mark here. So for making tally mark, just see when you are here first one. So put first one tally marks and strike on that number like this. Now third 1, now seconds like this, now fourth 1, now fifth 1, fourth 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 4, now 6. So like this you have to make and add this. Now tally marks here, 1 it is of 2, 2 it is of 1, 3 it is of 2, 4 it is of 5. So see, doing 5 like this you have to do 5. Now fifth 2, 6, 3. So add this number, you will get the total frequency n is equal to 15. So like this you have to solve the practice set 55, children. That we will see. Now see practice set 55. So height of the children 30 is given in the centimeters. Drop the frequency table. So here if you are seeing minimum number it is of 131, and if you are seeing maximum it is of 140, children. So how to make that I will show on the board. Just see here. So you have to put that. Yes. Now just see here. For that how you are making. So 3 columns you have to make, children. That is of, yes, here, yes. So height in centimeters and tally marks and frequency table. Frequency. Yes. Now 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, and finally 140 children. So like this table you have to put first one, and final n is equal to put here. Now if you are counting 131, it is of 3, so I will write 3. 132 it is of 3. 133 it is of 5. So like this it is. 135 and 134 it is of 3. 135 it is of 3. 136 it is of 2. 138 it is of 1. 139 it is of 3. Yes, I will make here correction. 132 it is of 2. 138 it is of 1, and 139 it is of 3, and 140 it is of 5. So you have to put the tally marks and add this. When you are adding, you will get n is equal to 30. So you have to put the cross marks if you are applying tally marks in there. So you will get. So like this it is of first one. Now second one, if it is there, that also I will show you. Now second one, in certain colonies. Yes, in certain colony there are 50 families. So number of people in every family is given below. Drop the frequency table. So here if you are seeing, so the number of families of minimum number, it is of 1, and maximum if you are seeing, that is of 5. Number of members, tally mark, and frequency. So here I will write n. So here frequency. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and finally n is equal to what that you have to write. So here if you are seeing, number of families 1, it is 1 only, so here write 1. In 2 if you are seeing, that is of 13, so you have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, this is of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. Yes, now third one, it is of 16, so here 5, 5 series bundle, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. This is of 16. Now fourths if you are seeing, that is of 13 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now 5, 1 it is of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is of 7. So if you are doing this addition, that you will get 50. Yes. Now third one I will show you. A dice was thrown 40 times and the number on upper face noted is given below. Drop the frequency table for this. So see the in your textbook. Yes, I am doing this. So that time you have to see in your textbook for doing the tally mark. So here number of faces, upper faces you have to write. Again tally mark and frequency. So find out the minimum number, maximum number in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 it is there. Yes. So like this you have to solve this, and finally you have to do the n is equal to. So once if you are saying, that is of 2, so here I will write 2. If you are counting 2's, that is of 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you are measuring 3's, that is of 13. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3. And if it is of fours, that is of 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is of 8, and 5 it is of 5 only, children, so 5, and 6 it is of 4. So add this, you will get n is equal to 40. Yes, so while doing, you have to see in your textbook. Now next one, fourth one, it is there. So number of chapatis that 30 children in a hostel need at every meal is given below. Make a frequency table for this score. So for that, you have to make again 3 columns, number of chapatis in there, and tally marks are there, tally marks and frequency. So here I will clear, again I will write. So here number of chapatis, second one is the tally mark, and third one is the frequency. Yes, so if you are saying minimum number it is of 2, maximum it is of 5, 2 4 5. So count this while doing that, and total frequency you have to write here. Now if you are counting 2, that is of 9, so you have to make 1 2 3 4 5 and 5, 6 7 8 9. Now if you are counting 3s, that is of 10 times, so you have to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. If you are counting 4s, that is of 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now if you are counting 5, that is of 3, 1 2 3 3. If you are adding, you will get total frequency n is equal to 30. So like this you have to solve the problem set 55, children. If anyone have doubt, just ask, but while solving you have to put the textbook along with you. Yes, okay then, thank you.